Can I be the Chicken King?
Yes! You can be the Chicken King!
Yes! That makes me happy! Ha-ha!
Guys, perfect job!
More!
More? More. Wait here. More? Wait here. More. I know. Let's play a game. Birthday parties are hard work. Can I paint a picture too? Yes! Great! Laurie May, what's your favorite color? Yellow? We have no yellow! I know! Wait here! I got good news! I have some yellow paint!
Yeah! That's blue! That's blue!
Oh, it's blue!
You need to go get another one!
Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy, Dazzy, Day. I know. Let's make a cake.
Cake.
What do we need to make a cake? Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy, Dazzy, Day. Scoop a little bit of butter in there. Okay, I think we need some chocolate for the cake.
And we need another egg in there as well. What? Will you pour some milk in there for me? Only a little bit, small. This is my granny's recipe. Your granny is gonna love this.
We're gonna find some butter. Joe, we need butter.
My second delivery.
Wait here.
Where has he gone now? Thank you, Joe, but not a cow. We need butter. Cows make milk.
Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say dizzy,
Dazzy, Day. So we have to put it into little pieces, and then you're gonna try some? All in. Mix and mix. Isn't it good? Joe, we need some eggs.
Wait here.
Takes a bit of time, but then you get really tasty scones. What are you doing? We've got eggs everywhere. Look at all these eggs.
There you are, Ozzy. I'm making scones. They're great.
Why do some lions have a furry fur?
Those are the boy lions.
The boy lions have the big fur, and then the girl lions don't have any big fur.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
A delivery. Wait. A brush for the lion.
Lions don't use a brush, Joe. They use a tree.
A tree? I will use the brush.
Hello, I'm looking for Christina.
I'm Christina.
I have a delivery for you.
I need new boots.
Yes, you do need new boots. Wait here.
small and pink.
Don't worry. I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy, Dazzy, Day.
My next delivery is for you. What do you mean, no? It's a new bed. It's very comfortable. I'll show you. See?
Is Joe asleep?
I know what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy,
Dizzy,
Dazzy, Day. You did the magic.
Good job. Good job, Joey.
This is a much better bed.
Piggy. Good. Hands up.